Okay, guys, 5 cute office ideas. So I went with colors that are neutral and soft, pale pinks, but really, when it comes to your home office, I think what's most important is the space that creates warmth, and it has to be not so cluttered, because I think a lot of the times it's easy to see cute things and then just add to them. But the number one tip that I can give you guys is to first of all go on Pinterest, create a board of a few pins that you like, and then pick maybe 5 ideas out of that. And once you have those ideas, maybe make a list of things from each photo that you like. So one office could have an amazing shelf, and another one you might like the position of the desk, little things like that. So at the end of the day, you can combine ideas, but just make sure that you don't start your project and then keep on buying things without really having a place for them. I think when it comes to decorating, the most important thing is to have a plan and work from there, and then only stick to the things that you need, because otherwise it can become really cluttered and it just ends up looking very unprofessional. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other ideas for decorating, and what other kind of spaces you're currently working on. If you're wanting to decorate your bedroom, or if you have in the past, if you have any tips, I'd like to hear more of that in the comments.